y'all, welcome back to another video with your girl Escape with Dev. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying blessed up and prayed up. I really do. I'm in the times that we're living, guys. You've definitely got to just stay prayed up and just have that faith that everything is going to be okay and that everything that you want is going to prosper and come to life. You just got to believe that everything that you want and that you pray for is going to come to life. And then you just got to believe in God, guys, and just have faith. I know that sometimes it can be hard. I definitely go through those phases in my life, and I'm really low and I'm like, it's not going to happen for me, like whatever. But you just got to keep, stay around good energy, stay around people that are on a positive, vibe and positive and high vibrations, and just keep positive, man, and know that things will get better if they're not right now. And I just pray that if things are going good for you, that it stays good and keeps getting better. So today's video is going to be a life update video. I know normally I'm doing like house tour content and stuff like that, and I just want to say, like, I'm super happy and it brings me so much joy to know that a lot of you are getting motivated by the house tour videos. You guys are wanting to build houses, you guys are wanting to buy houses, you guys are wanting to like continue your journey of building your houses if you stopped for a minute, or wanting to move back home to Jamaica or any other country that you're from. Like, it brings me so much joy to know that those videos help to motivate you. And I think a lot of the times on social media, there's just a lot of negative stuff that go around, gossiping and drama. And I just think, it's nice to go on to social media and see something that uplifts your spirit and pushes you to want to do better. And I think that's something that I want to see when I go on social media is, things I don't want to always hear about, bad news. I mean, things are happening, people are passing away, people are getting brutally killed, which is horrible. But sometimes you just want to hear the more, like, you just want to see something positive for a change. And so I'm happy that I am contributing to that, and I totally understand. And as I said, when I go on social media, that's stuff that I want to see, because I am getting old, guys. I'm getting old. I'm almost 30 years old. I'm getting old, and so I definitely want to be on a path where I am just surrounded by positive vibrations, as I said, so I'm able to manifest those great things in life, to like own a lot of assets, to create generational wealth for my family that I will eventually one day have, but so definitely that. So super happy, and because of that, I have worked and I'm working hard to connect with people that are buying or that are selling houses, that I can come and probably like interview you guys or be on that journey with you guys, to kind of put it out there to other escapers that want to see that. But also networking with real estate agencies as well, to connect with them so that I can bring you guys, great content, and I can bring you guys houses, if you are planning to move to Jamaica, if you're planning to buy a house here, and especially within the Mandeville area or anywhere else in Jamaica, but particularly the Mandeville area for now, because this is where I am. But connecting with real estate agencies to bring you those houses so you guys can see because I have got something in the works. So I am very excited for that, and I'm excited to drop that content soon, because I am in the works of networking with a real estate agency. So yes, let's get straight into the life update video. So I am currently in Jamaica. Sorry guys if I do this, I express a lot with my hands, so I'm really sorry like if I do that. I am in the beautiful island of Jamaica, my home and everything that I love. Okay, so I am in Jamaica right now, guys. Today is October the 9th. It's my mother's birthday, so shout outs to my mom on her birthday. Wishing her many more birthdays. I love her to bits. Couldn't ask for another mom. So yes, definitely drop some happy birthdays in the comment sections for my mom, although by the time you guys see this video her birthday will have passed and gone, but there's nothing wrong with saying happy belated birthday. So yes, I am currently in Jamaica. Like I said, I'm only here for a few days. As you guys know, or like I normally would mention, I actually feel like I am currently like living between the UK and Jamaica, and that's because of course I still have a job in the UK, a part-time job, and I still of course want to come home. Like, there will never be like, I know, the thing is, I always get asked this question. I always get asked, why do you always go to Jamaica? Why don't you go to like another country? Because I don't want to. Okay. No. I mean, of course, in the future, I definitely want to go and explore other parts of the world. Why not get to know other people's cultures and stuff like that? But for now, I'm very much so comfortable with just coming home. Jamaica is booming with tourism. Everybody wants to come to Jamaica, so why wouldn't I want to come home and enjoy the fruits of the island? Like, this is where I was born, so if everybody else wants to come here and enjoy everything here, then why wouldn't I want to come home? This is where I was born. I have a Jamaican passport. Like, I want to be home. So, home brings me peace. It brings me a lot of things that a lot of people may not understand, and I don't need to like go into depths, but being home clears a lot of things for me. It's like medicine, it's like medication. So instead of like being in the UK and I'm feeling low and going on antidepressants, my antidepressants is Jamaica, is coming home. Even if I'm home for 3 days, I feel refreshed, I feel rejuvenated, like I feel happy. So yes, I am home for a few days. Of course, it was to come and see my family, in particular my grandmother, to kind of run a little bit of, make sure everything's going okay. Because as you guys know, my mom does have like her projects here and stuff like that. So just to make sure that everything's going okay while my mom's obviously in the UK at the moment. Of course, things are going to slowly start to change in the coming months. My mom, she will be moving back to Jamaica, but not completely, partially. When I say partially, like, I think that a lot of people do take that leap of faith and just move to Jamaica one time. But for me, I think what my mom's doing or what I'm doing is just slowly adjusting back into home grounds. I feel like to just get up and pack up and leave, at some point I think you could do it, but there is going to be times where you're going to be like, okay, I can't, like, is a shock. Of course, although we are Jamaicans, we have lived in the UK for very long, so we are still accustomed to a lot of things that happen in the UK that are totally different from Jamaica. Like, the UK is fast paced, Jamaica is slower paced, so there are things that you will have to be adjusted to. So this is why you don't see us moving here like permanently and we're just packing up and leaving. Slowly taking time. I still have a job in the UK. I still have things that I need to accomplish in terms of like saving a lot more money. Like, there's a lot of things that I need to do that I can't just pack up and leave. I wish I could. I've got to slowly make some, do things, you know what I'm saying? So I find it, I'm happy with just being in between Jamaica and the UK. Whenever I feel like I'm depressed and I'm stressed and I've got time off work, I will run home and I'll just chill. And then, yeah, like, that's just me for now. Until I've set things up in my life, then yes, I will definitely make that big move of just moving back home straight away, because why not? Whereas my mom, she will start to be here a little bit more longer than usual, than a week, than 2 weeks, than a month. She'll be here a little bit more longer until she decides to make the permanent move of just moving home. So yeah, in terms of living situations, that is what we're doing right now. We're just adjusting to kind of to moving home permanently. In terms of the Airbnbs and stuff like that, my mom, as I said, as I mentioned, my mom will be coming back here. So we'll be back in Jamaica in January. So of course, around them times, that's when my mom will be working more on her Airbnb and also rentals and stuff like that. So definitely stay tuned for that. Look out for that. We will drop a promo video to give you guys some information on the Airbnb. So if you guys are coming to Jamaica in next year summer, Christmas, around them times, then you're staying in the Mandeville, Manchester area or whatever surrounding area, and you want to stay in a beautiful Airbnb, you guys have seen it, then the Airbnb will be going up for where you can actually book your stay. So definitely look out for that. So yeah, that's that. And then of course my mom and Chris also have a upcoming project. You guys have seen the land, so that's a new exciting upcoming project that they will be working on. So I'm very excited for that. Very great blessings right there, and I'm excited because I'll be able to document that from the very start, so you guys can see the process of building a house, or building a house in Jamaica. So we're excited for that. What else? I am not pregnant. That's one. Yes, I'm not pregnant. I mean, you probably weren't asking that anyway, but I mean, it's a life updated video. I'm not pregnant. I haven't had no kids. I'm not married. I haven't been married, not engaged. Yeah, what else? I mean, my life is just, yeah. I have got some exciting, I actually do have an exciting project that I will be releasing very soon in November. So I will definitely be dropping a video in the coming, probably a little bit after this video releases. I will be dropping a video to tell you guys the exciting thing that is coming, that I will be starting. And I hope that when it drops, you guys support me, support Escape with Dev. But yes, I definitely have something exciting coming for you guys. So stay on the lookout for that. And also, I guess, you know, mental health. I did, you know, in terms of my mental health, I think in this very moment as I'm doing this video, I am completely happy and I'm fine. And I'm so grateful for that because, you know, probably a month ago, I was going through a little phase and I was very low and depressed and I just didn't want to be here. I'm going to be honest. I was going through it, guys, and you know, it was really horrible, but I managed to lift myself up with the grace of God and prayers and just having great people around that pray for me, you know, great family members, great friends, you know, just a great supportive system. So definitely I'm so happy to be out of that phase. But I do know that, you know, when you are, you know, when you are God-fearing, when you do believe in God, and when there is a higher purpose, when there is a great purpose on your life, you will get attacked, you know. So definitely I know that, you know, there are going to be other times when I'm going to go down again, but I know that God has got me and I'm going to be lifted up and I'm going to be great. I'm going to keep stepping because until God says, you know what, it's time to rest, I'm going to keep stepping. So as I said, in this very moment, my mental health is good, but you know, I do have my days and I do have my months where I'm just low. You know, everybody goes through trials and tribulations, but I just want to say as well, if you guys are going, if anybody is going through a phase of mental breakdown, or you're feeling low or depressed, or you feel like, you know, especially like I have seen one or two people comment and say that they haven't been to Jamaica in a long time because they can't come. And I know that as well can be depressing in itself, like, you know, to, you know, see everybody traveling to Jamaica on tourism vibes and you can't even come home. It's very depressing, you know. And my mom and myself were in that position at once. Of course, I never felt it as much as my mom because I was a kid, but my mom obviously felt it. She was an adult. So I definitely want to tell you guys, keep the faith. As I said, stay prayed up, stay chanting them psalms, stay reading the Bible, stay looking up. Do not fall short to whatever negative thing you're feeling. Do not fall short to that. Stay blessed up, stay prayed up, stay believing that things will work out for you. Yes, and so as I said, if that is where you're at with your mental, where you're just feeling low, you're feeling like it's over, you're feeling like there's no more, you know, there's no more goal inside of you, I'm gonna tell you that when you feel like there's no more goal inside of you, there's a lot more in there. You've just got to find it and push. If Davina can do it, you can do it. If Davina can overcome things, if Davina can get up off, like, you know, because when I go low, guys, like, I don't even want to come out my bed. Like, I'm crying. I don't want to eat. I lose weight. I literally am just a mess. Like, I don't even want to go work. Like, I'm just a complete utter mess. But if I can lift up out of that, then you can too. And for the ones that haven't been Jamaican, you know, in terms of immigration, I always speak about this. Have faith, you will get through, and wherever God wants you to be, he will place you. So if God wants you to be in the country that you're at now, he will give you and grant you those papers. And maybe there's just a lot more things that you need to do within, like, as I said, you know, just soul searching, praying, you know, trying to get closer to God. Like, I definitely need to work on that myself. It's getting a bit, you know, a lot more closer to God as well, and praying a lot more and just whatever, because as I said, you will go under attack when you're God-fearing, and so you need to make sure that you're actually proper ready for these things. So I'm sorry if I'm rambling, but as I said, just, you know, just keep the faith, man. You will come here. I'm sure I'm gonna see maybe you posting and saying I'm in Jamaica now and whatever. So just keep the faith. Yeah, so that's mental health. Doing good, but as I said a month ago, so I was not doing good, but I'm doing good now. And what else? I mean, that's it. Like, I feel like I haven't got nothing else to say. I just wanted to do an updated live video. Everything in terms of, yeah, projects are well. Yeah, I just wanted to say hi, you know. because as I said, I'm always behind the camera nowadays filming houses and stuff. I'm never in front of the camera, and normally when I'm vlogging my family as opposed to myself. So I just wanted to say hi. I wanted to say I'm here, and also shout outs to my escapers, man. Like, shout out to one of my escapers on my way to Jamaica on last week. Yeah, on my way to Jamaica last week, I saw an amazing, lovely escaper. She was so friendly. She was so nice. Shout out to Tammy. I think that is your, remember Tammy. Big up yourself, man. Like, literally, she came up to me. She was so lovely. She was like, you know, she was just lovely. And so definitely, if you are an escaper and you see myself, you see my mom, or anybody you see in my videos, they're an escaper. Like, that's the escaper family, and you want to say hi, don't be scared to say hi, guys. We don't bite. More than likely, like me, I'm shy, so I'm not gonna bite you. I'm not gonna be like, you know, give you bad vibes. I will say hi to you. So yeah, and it's not just Tammy as well. I've seen other escapers about that said hi and they watch me, and it is really like weird to me, guys, because even though I'm recording these videos and I do see that people are commenting and I see, you know, the views and stuff, I don't actually think that, okay, people know me like that. So whenever I go out and someone says, I've seen your video, or I know you from here, I'm like, wow, okay. I don't actually expect to get that. So, you know, when I see that, it makes me feel really good, you know, that my videos are reaching out there, and that, like I said, you guys are motivated by it. So thank you so much, guys, for the love and the support. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. And again, if you see me outside, you see any of my escaper family outside, just say hi. Don't be scared of us. We want to give you love like how you're giving us and showing us love, you know. And yeah, and I'm gonna, as I said, I've got another video to drop soon about my project that's coming up. And also I will be traveling to another country after Jamaica, so I will be vlogging that part of my journey, going to that country. Actually, you know, I could put it in the live update video, but I feel like I rather put that in that vloggy type video. Like, I rather put that information there. I guess I've got somebody to introduce to you guys. Yeah, I've got somebody to introduce to you guys, and yes, I mean, why not? So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. We've got more house tours coming up, guys, to motivate you guys. And yeah, I love you guys. Stay blessed up, stay prayed up, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'm sorry if I rambled or I was going off a bit or in my hands, because I know sometimes that might be annoying. But yes, I love you guys.